guys, my little puppy. Guys, look, my mom bought me 3 plants. Which one's which, mommy?
Orange.
Go in the order from left to right. Orange, mango, pear. And what did mom say? Not okay, Safina, plant this, and when you come down you can have it to eat. No, when I plant this, my kids can come and eat. My God.
So me carry down the slippers. You carry down the slippers, there? What's Maybe it's also. So I'm going to take the suitcase then. Put on my suitcase then, girl. So look on my face and you take picture with
You're
what
so pretty.
Where you from? You're not going to come up so before. What's so love today? What's so love video? They come up today.
Are you gonna be there?
You come in?
Yeah, I'm putting on my eyebrows.
Yes,
Do you see?
and you're going to say something. You're me alone. Remember, so Donald Trump out now. You don't know with me going.
So good morning, guys. This morning you saw my cousin. That was like the opening clip. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Makita Kerr. If you are oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So basically right now my mom and I are here. Mom is right next to me. We are going to country. Mom has like a whole bunch of errands to run, and then also I'm just gonna pick up some like last minute stuff, and the wedding is tomorrow. Rue is right there. He's living his best life. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna run a few errands. We have just like errands to run today, and then tomorrow is the wedding, so that should be like a really exciting day. And yeah, so I will see you guys when we get on the road.
Yeah, when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Light up a split on the music.
You might have to call her. Look at Madge. Guys, look at Madge. Cash pot guru.
The man.
Say when the road get rough, me say me never give up. I say there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough, turn on the tough gets going. My people, don't give up, oh no, ain't no giving in. Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Good Lord, have mercy. Lot of youths in life, so they can't take depression no more.
What is it? Give me bread and chicken, man. Me hungry, man. Me can't go further.
Say when the road get rough, me say me never give up. I say there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough, turn on the tough gets going. My people, don't give up, oh no, ain't no giving in. Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Good Lord of mercy. A lot of youths in life say them can't take depression no more. And from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, me sure.
Oh, the plants.
So.
Oh, I got it.
No.
Yes.
Anybody mash up the plan here?
I got it. What were you doing this morning? Guys, this is where they decked and build up. Guys, we're gonna go plant my trees.
You want to wash this day, right, you know?
Not now. Help me with the...
Drinking flower, corn flower, and so.
Where? But it's 3 of them. Mama, it's 3.
Eh?
Mama, and it's my uncle. Which one should I plant right here?
Yeah, pear, mango.
An orange.
Orange. You can plant a pear tree right here, so.
Right here?
Right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna dig the hole for you, okay?
Thank you.
Come and plant.
Where's that?
Flea bag, relax. Like that, right? And then put the dirt. Guys, my orange tree.
Give my camera and can you stand up this one?
Can you? Leave bag, please.
Times I'm lost and far from home, I find my way.
And pack it, right? Oh, I hope it grows.
Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills. I'm blessed all. My 2 hands in the air. Come on.
What is going on with Fleabag? Thank you.
Implant her right, please.
Thank you,
You're
John.
welcome, stuff, man. That's all right now.
Thank you.
Welcome, stuff, man. You're welcome.
Oh,
You're all right now, okay?
yes, perfect.
All right.
I have to get a little sign so I can stick them.
Oh, all right. If you come back with mango,
I can't wait. When's mango time?
like,
I feel like can't be enough.
like a couple more months is mango time.
Couple months?
Yes, but
You know,
it'll
go.
take like a year to bear.
A year?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
All right, let's stand that now. Let's
Okay.
stand that now.
What about the orange and the
Let's stand a year, let me take now. For coconut usually takes a lot of time, and now the plant is start to bear.
Okay, I'm excited.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Grater cake?
Yeah, when you going up, you break the cake and chat up.
Can I, will they allow me to bring it up or no?
Yes, break the cake and traps.
Stop this man, man.
I'm gonna bring,
Run, man.
can I do it that way?
Yeah, and bring it up.
Okay, I'm only gonna take 2 then.
Anyone do want.
Oh, they're cold.
Yeah, anyone want to take it.
Mom, take 2.
Where's that something?
Freeze it. Peel it and freeze it. Yeah.
This one is a native.
Native?
Yeah, this one's a native.
Okay. Look at you, Mama.
You don't want no cold money.
Sweet?
Yeah, so I coconut.
Let me try it.
You can't walk what you eat everything in a cold. You don't know me. Like picture get on that for you.
Which one? Carry down where?
No, not here. Richard,
For what? Oh,
Richard, them.
oh, carry. June, bye. Love you. Until next time.
Alright, take care, okay?
I will. You too. Guys, we're going down. Mom, how are you?
You know, feel a reggae music sweet. You know, it's skanking. In every groove. I know it's skanking. Feel a reggae music sweet. Skanking.
Look at my mama.
Everybody wanna feel that.
Yep.
Woo! Bye, cuz. Until next time, right?
Yeah.
My God, Mama, you and this puppy. Be careful.
Now come down here and did.
Switch him for me. Switch him.
Fleabag, please.
Switch now.
Go up. Go up.
Bye.
Bye. You have to go buy one antenna and piece of wire. Yeah.
Say more in the road get rough. Me say me never give up. I say there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough, I know the tough gets going. My people don't give up, oh no, ain't no giving in. Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Good Lord of mercy. A lot of youths in life say them can't take depression no more. And from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, my soul.
Mom, you're not hungry? Peaceful. Right? Peaceful. Thank you.
Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing.
Call and the phone a ring to voicemail and can't get it.
Hi, how are you? I just like just tell me my bag. My God.
What woman stole it? Arthritis. Give me to your mama.
Bye, hon. These look nice, mommy.
I took one want to I mean I want to in grunt in there, so give me.
Yeah, okay, go.
What do you cook me do with grunt? And sometimes when they mag, I mean no know.
Get too much gun today.
Oh, you got the big one?
Big money. Yeah, no big money.
What is it? What kind of fish is this, mommy? What kind of fish is this?
Where's the way they give me?
Brownie, if I'm not going to brownie. I want the women.
Me don't want no grunt, because I don't have grunt.
Which one's grunt?
The one so more.
I came to check you, and you were home sleeping.
Yes.
Mom, what about? Today was a nice day.
I'm going to one phone here. I'm afraid find you guys and phone in. I'm never phone come in to use iPhone. If I need to buy
if phone locked down then. So okay, baby.
You can't let me phone gear.
Why?
Me come on phone gear for work. You can't let me phone gear. My friend give me some phone for England. You can't give what me get. I give what me get. Two things me give what me get from my data buy.
Catch money, what is it?
She catch me long time. I want good up man. She not gonna care for give me look at my body. All I eat. I mean I want no young one, I want nice grown man. Grown responsible man who to have a responsible young lady that we can make life together. Not to take from each other, to build each other. Okay? So if you're not saying all that, please do not talk to me.
You know they have small one, but that's the way it is.
Oh, it's on the fridge.
Really tired, really.
Oh, good.
I'll put party and think time come on in.
The black bag? Yeah, black bag up here. Anything on the block. I'm saying you're ready now, so you go well with it. Somebody else have to carry on gear. No, that's no more. Bitches. Somebody else have to gear it. Come on, no. Where do we put this? Put it on the side and me trying to garbage for you. Bitches? Alright, Sam. You're not going to keep it on the home. No. I'm here.
Mama, say hi to the people.
Hi to the people.
Touch his belly. Came home. I'm eating an apple and a little bit of salt because it's like fresh, but this is like a huge apple. So today we went to country. My mom had planted. My mom had bought some plants for me to plant at her house. And I did that. You guys saw that. What else? We were in the town for a little bit. We just like ran some errands. Now we're home. I'm eating. My grandma's here, but she just went to go buy something to eat. And we're just chilling. I'm just eating. Look at my mama, guys. What you get? Let me see first. Look at mama's hairstyle. So cute. I told her to wear it like this to the wedding, and she's talking about, no. Mama, this little box you got? How much was this?
$450.
Lord of mercy, why is it so small? Look at my grandma's food.
You alright, sweet?
Salt.
Salt?
Lord of mercy.
Salt?
Salt bottom. Mama, you brought the nail polish? Mama, why are you trying to...
Chicken. One dark brown. Darker.
Okay. Where do you see Judge?
Mekong.
Oh, Madge sent a message for him.
So,
For him to come visit her in the market. Lovers.
so I get you?
No, I don't think so. Because we didn't see Judge. Look at Rue. Rue, you see yourself?
You know somebody wants some onion? I'm gonna go right ready. Right that way.
Nice?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Rue.
Wait, Blackie.
Montego Bay, and then the reception is at,
Lucy.
what is that place called?
And then go to hospital.
Paradise? What is it called, mommy?
Did you see one boy say?
As we're here, me, mama, mommy's over there picking Aki. Leash is here. Say hi, Leash. Oh, it's cold, Leash.
Yeah, it's cold.
Snow.
You know, it's cold, but it's cold.
Oh, water came back. What happened?
What the gun?
Yeah, you know, open on back, you know.
It did.
And then nice, you know. You have no nice.
You go buy it, huh?